abahinji bebikije muri Masindi abarkwegitira hansi y'ikigombe cyabo ecyabunyoora Sugarcane Farmers Cooperative bakataho minzani yo kupima ebikijo bari kuguza kampani za shukari zibarukwenda konkani bagira ngo kitongore cy'byobushuzo mu ihanga cykwatanise na police hamwe na Kinyara Sugar babataho imihigo kintu kibarukwetombwitira.
Purporting to be commissioner from the Ministry of Trade and Industry called David Kiza is the one who came with the RPC and the DPC and the OC station and ordered that these way bridges should stop.
I have my own cane that I planted on my own. So I have cut it, I have come to sell it to get my school fees for my children, but they have stopped us from selling the sugarcane from here.
Minzane jibirya muhanda w'abanota mu municipality ya Masindi okuruga hoima bit police shikiro habasorokare tubarukwikiriza motoka yo no kupimira hebekijo
hati tukoleki ebikajo byetu kuruga ijjo emotoka bazemerereze hano hati biri hano bikufafana tukusaba kukonyerwa itwenka bakazi abakwerolera itwenka
ntunihira kugara bayana bayita isomero bayintu police tugambire busaho kupima emotoka busaho koraki ati nyobwire bunu nkura nekiniga
nikigambwangwa aba bakaba bari abahinji ba Kinyara Sugar Factory baje hindura batandika kuguza kampani z'urukuruga busoga ekiresero ho kurwanaga no mu kampani za shukari nuko ministry y'obushubuzo kubitahamu.
Yes, true, we have deployed, but the ministry, the more information you can now retrieve it from Ministry of Trade and Cooperatives. So because they have no manpower, of course, they asked for manpower to help them and reinforce them in Masindi, where there have been a lot of, because they are the ones regulating these sugar companies.
Twagambona commissioner by'obushubuzi David Kiza owayibemberamo kwemereza minzaneji kandi ibintu byatugambira.
The reason is about poaching of sugarcane, which has been happening there. But I think I'm going to give you the number of the PRO because I'm not supposed to speak for the ministry to have a PRO.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.